Download this code from codegive.com, link in the description below. Error handling in Kafka Producer, a deep dive with intuition and code examples. Kafka is a powerful distributed streaming platform, but like any complex system, things can go wrong. Robust error handling in your Kafka Producer is crucial for ensuring data integrity, preventing data loss, and maintaining the overall stability of your application. This tutorial provides a comprehensive guide to error handling in Kafka Producers, covering various aspects from basic error types to advanced retry strategies, with illustrative code examples in Python using the kafka-python library. 1. Understanding the landscape, types of producer errors. Before diving into the how, let's understand the what. Kafka producer errors generally fall into these categories. Network errors. These occur when the producer can't communicate with the Kafka brokers. Examples include connection error, general connection issues, example broker unavailable, network outage. Timeout error, the producer didn't receive a response from a broker within the configured timeout. Socket disconnected error, the connection to the broker was unexpectedly closed. Serialization errors. These arise when the producer fails to serialize the message payload into bytes for transmission. Examples include serialize error, generic base class for serialization errors. Errors specific to your serializer, example JSON encoding errors, Avro schema validation failures. Kafka broker errors. These are reported by the Kafka brokers back to the producer indicating problems on the broker side. Kafka uses error codes to identify these issues. Some common examples. Leader not available error, the leader for the topic partition is unavailable. Not leader for partition error, the broker you're trying to send to isn't the leader for the target partition. Request timeout error, the broker didn't process the request within the specified timeout. Out of order sequence error, the broker received the messages out of order and it is not able to handle it because of idempotency. Invalid producer epoch error, the producer epoch has expired and the producer needs to be reset. Producer fenced, another producer with the same transactional ID has been started. Record too large error, the record is larger than the maximum allowed size. Topic authorization failed error, the producer is not authorized to write to the topic. Record batch too large error, the batch is larger than the maximum allowed size. Not enough replicas after append error, there are not enough in-sync replicas to satisfy the required ACKs. Not enough replicas error, there are not enough available replicas to satisfy the required ACKs. Corrupt record exception, the broker detected corruption in the record. Policy violation exception, the record violates the policy of the data platform. Configuration errors. These result from incorrect or missing configuration settings in your producer setup. No brokers available, the producer couldn't find any available brokers. Typically due to incorrect bootstrap_servers. 2. Error handling strategies. The appropriate error handling strategy depends on the type of error and your application's requirements. Here are common approaches. Retry for transient errors, example network hiccups, temporary broker unavailability, retrying the message send is often the best option. Logging log all errors, including the error type, message details, and any relevant context. This is crucial for debugging and monitoring. Dead letter queue, DLQ. If a message consistently fails to be delivered after retries, send it to a dead letter queue. This prevents the producer from getting stuck and allows you to investigate the problematic message later. Asterisk exception handling. Asterisk use try, except blocks to catch exceptions raised by the producer and implement your error handling logic. Asterisk callback functions. Asterisk use callbacks to handle acknowledgement for the delivery of the message. It helps to monitor the success or failure of the delivery. 3. Code example, Python with kafka-python. Here's a detailed example illustrating various error handling techniques. Explanation of the code. Asterisk 1. Create _producer, bootstrap _servers, serializer, AX, retries, enable _idempotence, transactional _ID, asterisk. Asterisk configures the Kafka producer using a dictionary of settings. Asterisk handles no brokers available exception during producer creation. Asterisk includes parameters for idempotence and transactions. Asterisk enables setting of custom serializer. 2. On _success, record _metadata, and on _error, exception, asterisk. Asterisk callback functions that handle the outcome of producer.send. Asterisk on _success logs the details of the delivered message, topic, partition, offset. Asterisk on _error logs the exception that occurred during the message delivery. 3. Send _message, producer, topic, message, max _retries, asterisk. Asterisk this function encapsulates the message sending logic with retry and error handling. Asterisk it uses a while loop to retry sending the message up to max _retries times. Asterisk it catches transient Kafka errors like leader not available error, not leader for partition error, and request timeout error and retries after a short delay. This addresses common temporary issues. Asterisk it catches more serious Kafka error exceptions, example record too large error, authentication failures. In these cases, retrying might not help, so you might consider sending the message to a dead letter queue. Asterisk it catches general exceptions, exception, to prevent the program from crashing due to unexpected errors. Asterisk after all retries are exhausted, it logs an error message and returns false. Asterisk asynchronous sending. Asterisk the producer.send call is asynchronous. This means it returns a future object immediately, without blocking. The actual message sending happens in the background. Asterisk callbacks. Asterisk future.add _callback, on _success, registers the on _success function to be called when the message is successfully delivered. Future.add _error back, on _error, registers the on _error function to be called if an error occurs during delivery. This is a non-blocking way to handle the outcome of the send operation. Asterisk producer.flush, asterisk this is a crucial call. Kafka producers buffer messages in memory to improve performance. Producer.flush forces the producer to send all buffered messages to the Kafka brokers immediately. Without flush, messages might be lost if the producer exits before the buffer is sent. We call flush inside of the try block after send, to be sure that the producer tries to deliver all message before breaking the retry loop and return. 4. Send _to _DLQ, message, error, asterisk. Asterisk this function simulates sending a failed message to a dead letter queue. In a real-world application, you would need to implement a proper DLQ mechanism, such as asterisk sending the message to a dedicated Kafka topic, example my \topic \DLQ. Asterisk storing the message in a database or file for later analysis and reprocessing. 5. Main, asterisk. Asterisk creates a Kafka producer instance. Asterisk calls send _message, to send a sample message. Asterisk closes the producer to release resources. Important considerations and advanced techniques asterisk. Asterisk idempotent producer asterisk the example enables the idempotent producer by default, enable underscore idempotence equals true. This is highly recommended for ensuring exactly one semantics, or at least, preventing duplicates, in your Kafka stream. The idempotent producer assigns a unique producer ID, PID, and sequence number to each message, allowing the broker to detect and discard duplicate messages caused by retries. You need to set maximum in.flight.requests.per.connection to 1, the default, retries to a value greater than 0, the default is already 2, and ACKs to all for idempotence to be fully effective. Asterisk transactions asterisk for even stronger guarantees of atomicity, all or nothing, you can use Kafka transactions. Transactions allow you to send multiple messages to different partitions atomically. To use transactions. 1. Set transactional underscore ID in the producer configuration. This ID should be unique for each producer instance. 2. Call producer.begin underscore transaction, before sending messages that belong to the transaction. 3. Send your messages. 4. Call producer.commit underscore transaction, to commit the transaction, or producer.abort underscore transaction, to roll it back if an error occurs. Asterisk dead letter queue implementation asterisk the send underscore to underscore DLQ function in the example is a placeholder. A proper DLQ implementation requires asterisk a dedicated Kafka topic for storing failed messages. Asterisk a consumer application that reads from the DLQ topic and handles the failed messages, example logging, reprocessing, alerting. Consider using a framework like Apache Beam or Apache Flink for building robust DLQ processing pipelines. Asterisk monitoring asterisk implement monitoring to track producer errors, message delivery rates, and other key metrics. Use tools like Prometheus, Grafana, or Kafka's built-in monitoring features to visualize these metrics and set up alerts. Asterisk configuration asterisk pay close attention to Kafka producer configuration parameters like asterisk bootstrap underscore servers, the list of Kafka brokers. Asterisk ACKs, the acknowledgement level. All provides the strongest guarantee of data durability but has the highest latency. Asterisk retries, the number of retries. Asterisk linger underscore ms, the amount of time to wait before sending a batch of messages. Increasing this can improve throughput. Asterisk batch underscore size, the maximum size of a batch of messages. Asterisk max underscore request underscore size, the maximum size of a request to the broker. Asterisk maximum in.flight.requests.per.connection, the maximum number of unacknowledged requests the client will send on a single connection before blocking. This is important for ordering guarantees when using retries. Asterisk serialization / deserialization asterisk use a robust serialization format like Avro, Protobuf, or Thrift to ensure data compatibility and schema evolution. Asterisk error analysis asterisk when errors occur, carefully analyze the error messages and logs to understand the root cause. Use Kafka's monitoring tools to identify patterns and trends. Asterisk backoff strategy asterisk the retry logic uses a simple fixed delay, time.sleep, 5. For production systems, consider implementing an exponential backoff strategy to avoid overwhelming the brokers during periods of high load. Asterisk security asterisk if your Kafka cluster uses authentication and authorization, configure the producer with the appropriate security settings, example SASL/plain, SASL/XAPI, SSL. In summary asterisk. Effective error handling in Kafka producers is crucial for building reliable and resilient streaming applications. By understanding the different types of errors, implementing appropriate retry strategies, using dead letter queues, and monitoring your producer's performance, you can ensure that your data is delivered reliably, even in the face of network issues, broker failures, or other unexpected events. The provided code example serves as a starting point for building your own robust Kafka producer with comprehensive error handling capabilities. Remember to adapt the example to your specific application requirements and carefully consider the trade-offs between data durability, latency, and performance.